Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is April 13th on a Wednesday, and we are on our way to maybe Chestnut shelter, but we might go past that to a campsite, so we'll hike probably 11-12 miles. We're not real sure. We do have a water crossing today, and I just met a couple. They said it's calf deep, so that'll be fun. There's actually a rod that you can hang on to go across the river. I'll show you some pictures. Hopefully we'll video each other going across. And then, but otherwise, this morning has been wonderful. We got up early. And we were out of camp at like 7:45, and we slept so good, Mako and I. Everybody was tired after a 14-mile day yesterday. And we left Atkins yesterday, Atkins, Virginia, and hiked to Knott Mall Branch Shelter, which was like 14.5 miles. And it was a wonderful rolling hills hike. But the last part of it was really hilly and everybody was really pooped. So it's amazing. Oh, this is pretty up here. There's a little bridge. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, it's really cool. See the bridge? Yeah. There's the bridge. There goes Mako. There's my boy. He was ready to go this morning. Well, I hope everyone has a fabulous day, and I will see you up trail. I wanted to show you the trail this morning. A lot of Virginia is like this with the rhododendrons, and it's kind of the green tunnel they call it, but I love it. It's if it's sunny, it's really shady. And now this morning it's a little cool in here, but it's just a nice way to start the morning as we head to that river crossing. So it's fun. It's fun. I have so much energy this morning. It's amazing what a good night's sleep does. And I absolutely love sleeping in my tent. Mako and I always really sleep well. So, well, I just wanted to show you the trail. And there's a big ravine down there. There's my boy. There's my boy. It's like a jungle in here. Well, I'll see you guys up trail. We just crossed this fun river. And guys, I'm sorry I didn't film it, but it was too much fun. We played and it was only maybe ankle deep. Not even calf deep. Mako had fun though. And now we got a big climb going on. And you can see my trail behind me. Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, you guys have fun today. Happy Wednesday. I'm climbing. Hang on. See you up trail. This is level, but we've been climbing and climbing and climbing. Yeah. We still have to go way up there. What you think, Mako? We'll look at the horizon though. It is so pretty. But it's the second day on our way to Pearisburg has been climbing. We left that river where the bridge was out, and it's been, I know! Here comes Rosalie. Just beautiful. Our Our second day from Atkins heading to Pearisburg. Isn't this pretty? Here comes my trusty companion. Hi, puppy. Hi, good boy. Mako's leading the way. We got this big field to go up. Good boy, puppy. That's a way. That's a way. That's a way. That's a good boy. Smile. Okay, come on, pop up. Go on. Wow.